Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on your brand new computer, or if your operating system was just recently installed, I'm going to show you how to get that, okay? When that happens, the only browsers we get by default is this one right here. It's Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. And if we want to go ahead and use Google Chrome, which is very commonly used and also a great browser, I'll go ahead and show you how to get it, okay? So you go ahead and launch either Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer, and you're gonna type that right there. Download Chrome in English, or if you want to go ahead and download it in a different language, just go ahead and type download Chrome in French or Spanish or any other language. Okay, and then you're gonna come down here to the second link where it says Google Chrome web browser. You click that. Don't worry, I'll go ahead and share this link with you on the description, okay? And then you're gonna click that blue button right there where it says download Chrome. You're gonna click on save. And then after a few seconds, you click on open folder. And there you have your installer right there. So what you do now is you double click on it. And whenever you see all of these letters waiting to download and all of that, now it'll be safe to go ahead and exit out of the Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. You can just go ahead and close that browser. And the only thing that you will have is this right here. Depending on your internet speed, it could take 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or probably a minute or so. But okay, you will see that download complete. And then after a couple moments or so, the browser will install on your operating system. Okay, so our browser has completely finished installing, so you go ahead and maximize that. And at this point, if you already have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't have an account, I'll show you in a second how to create one. For now, let's go ahead and click on get started. Go ahead and click right here, skip, and let's go ahead and pick a background. Let's go ahead and pick this one. Nice looking landscape. Click next. Your Chrome everywhere. Let's go ahead and click on no thanks for now. There we have our Google Chrome with a nice background right there. Okay, so if you already have, if you want to go ahead and create one, the only thing you do is create Gmail. Then you will go to the first link right here where it says create an account. Click that, and then right there it's going to ask you for your first and last name, your username, and of course your password, and then you go ahead and log in. Okay, so there you have it. That's a very quick tutorial on how to go ahead and get the Google Chrome browser on your computer. So I will go ahead and share the download link where you can just go ahead and go straight into the download. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great one out there.